Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily delete files and folders from your OneDrive storage. Whether you're decluttering or freeing up space, this quick guide will help you get it done. Let's dive in. First, go to OneDrive.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. This will take you to your online storage. Navigate through your folders to find the files you want to delete. You will find all of your data in the My Files. So, click on it from the left sidebar. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top for quicker access. Click the checkbox next to the files or folders you want to remove. Once selected, click the Delete button at the top of the page. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Delete again to permanently remove the files. And that's it. You've successfully cleared up space in your OneDrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.